Oh, it lost a wing. Oh, goodness.
One thing that we never told everybody, Kai knows this, and Chris knows this, but not many other people do, is that I actually crashed the first one of those. It didn't go quite very well, but yeah, let's just take a look real quick.
Oh, goodness. I'm getting some breakup. Oh, I'm in the trees. All right. I told you a 20% chance I'd put it in the tree, and I did. I kind of lost signal. I started getting a lot of breakup on it. Yeah, it is in a tree. 100% in a tree, and it's, again, not happy with me at all. Oh, and it lost a wing. Oh, goodness. I don't know if you can see it. Not in good shape at all. All right, what to do? I don't know if I'm capable of climbing this tree or not. I don't feel like I am, but I am capable of throwing a stick at it. It almost hit it. Where is Wesley when we need him?
So basically what had happened is I was flying on a kind of small field, and I lifted off too close to the trees. I should have been a little bit higher when I went into from vertical to horizontal. And then I also lost signal because I was sitting behind a building. I think that metal roof might have had some impact. I don't know. But I crashed it. And Chris actually saved my bacon because it was up in the tree, and he climbed up in the tree and got it.
I think if you can get your foot right up in there, here.
Yeah. All right.
All right, ready? Step.
Well, I don't want to hurt you.
No, I'm fine. I've done this 100 times. Go.
Well, okay.
Go.
Okay, I'm not up. Okay, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. All right. There's Chris. Here, you want the stick to throw at it?
Yeah, that might be good. Hold on.
Just see if you can shake it. Shake the tree.
Okay.
Wow. All right, Chris, still going, shaking. Oh, here comes the wing. There it is.
Woo.
Yeah. Chris Waters for the win.
Now, can you call the fire department?
There's a cat stuck in the tree. Look at that. Look at that guy. Yeah. Boom.
So anyway, after all of that was said and done, Chris was like, dude, you seem kind of chill for having just crashed a $1,000 plus FPV, VTOL airplane that you haven't even finished the video about. And I was like, well, I have another one. And I totally didn't ask for another one. They had just accidentally sent me two. And so crashing the first one turned out to not be as big a deal. Then we took it out to Canyon Lake, where there's a bigger field and where we had Kai, who actually knows how to fly these things. And we did some more flying, and it was pretty cool.